Welcome back to Get English Fit. Today I want to help you to understand the basic differences between the WH question words. What, where, when, who, whom, which, whose, why, and how. WH question words help us to ask for more information. And note, you cannot respond to these question words using a simple yes or no. What? We use what to ask about things and actions. Listen and repeat the questions and the answers. What's your name? My name is Jane. What do you do? This means what job do you do? I'm an English teacher. What's she doing? She's making a cake. What time is the meeting? It's at 11 o'clock. What's the capital of England? London is the capital of England. When? We use when to ask about time. It might be the specific time, or the day or date, or even the period of time. When does the supermarket open? It opens at 7:30. In this question, when is the same as what time. When is she going on holiday? She is going on holiday in July. When is he starting his new job? He's starting his new job on Monday. When is his exam? His exam is on the 23rd of June. Where? Where asks about a specific place, position, or location. Where does he live? He lives in Barcelona. Where are you from? I'm from England. Excuse me, where is the bus stop? The bus stop is next to the bank. Where are my keys? Your keys are on the table. Who? Who asks about a person or people. Who is he? He's the manager. Who is her best friend? Her best friend is called Eleanor. Who is her favourite singer? Her favourite singer is Jess Glynn. Whom? Whom is the object form of who. It is quite formal and we don't use it very often. It is most common in formal writing. Very occasionally on the telephone you might ask, "To whom am I speaking?" The person may respond with their name or position. "You are speaking to Mr. Smith's secretary." We might use whom in a question or in an answer. With whom did you used to work? That is the woman with whom I used to work. As beginners, do not worry too much about whom. Which. We use which when asking about a preference or choice. Which subject does Tom prefer? Maths or science? Tom prefers science. Which restaurant shall we go to tonight? Let's go to the sushi restaurant. Dad, which car are we going in? We're going in Mum's car. Note the difference between which and what. We use which when someone has a limited range of options. Which subject does Tom prefer, maths or science? Tom only has 2 possible answers. But if we ask what is Tom's favourite subject, Tom can respond with any of the subjects he studies. Whose. We use whose to ask about possession. We use it when we want to know which thing belongs to which person. Whose pen is this? It's Emily's pen. Whose birthday is it today? It's Mary's birthday. Whose car is outside? It's Auntie Betty's car. Note that whose has the same pronunciation as whose, but the meaning is different. Why? We use why to ask for reasons. Why are you late? There was a traffic jam. Why is the baby crying? Because it needs feeding. Why do you need my help? Because I don't understand the question. Why do you want to learn English? Because I need to speak it at work. How. We use how on its own and with other additional words to ask a variety of different questions. How are you? I'm very well, thank you. How do you like your tea? With or without milk? With milk, please. In this question, we add old. How old? to ask about the age of someone or something. How old is he? He's 40 years old. How often is asking how frequently you do something. How often do you listen to music? I listen to music every day. How far is asking about the distance. How far is it to the airport? It's 20 kilometers. How much? How much may be asking about the price or the quantity of an uncountable noun. How much is the t-shirt? The t-shirt is £15. How many is also asking about quantity with countable nouns. How many students are there in your class? There are 29 students. Where are you from? What do you do? Why do you want to learn English? Let me know in the comments below. I hope to see you all again very soon. Take care, everybody. Bye for now.